Hi, I am Alba from Lanas Llobillos, and in this tutorial I will show you how to crochet this vest. You will see that it's really easy and really quick to make. Let's go with the step by step.
This pattern is very easy to make. You start here in one side and make as many chains as you need to get this size, and continue making rows to one side to arrive here where we have to make one armhole. Continue to the other armhole and finish the vest here. It is a rectangle with 2 holes for the arms. We need chunky yarn. In this case I use 8mm yarn, 10mm hook, scissors and a big safety pin. Here I am using a thinner yarn because it's easier to follow in the video. Remember that I am making a little sample to make the step by step. We start making as many chains as you need to have the length of the vest. Once we have all the chains that we need, we have to make chain 2 and 1 half double crochet on each chain. One half double crochet on each chain to finish this row. Once we finished all the half double crochet, we have to chain 2, turn, and we make 1 half double crochet on each half double crochet, but taking only the back loop. Here you can see the both loops. We are only taking the back loops to make the half double crochet. So 1 half double crochet on each half double crochet to the end of the row, but only taking the back loops. Continue with chain 2, turn, and in this row we have to take, instead of the back loop, we take the front loop. So 1 half double crochet on each half double crochet, but taking only the front loop. Continue with chain 2, and now we take the back loop. So 1 half double crochet on each half double crochet, taking the back loop. We are going to repeat the same pattern. In one row we take the back loop, and in the next row we take the front loop. One row taking the back loop and the following row taking the front loop. Following the pattern, taking the back and the front loop depending on the row, we have a piece like that. Now we are going to make the armhole. You have to make as many double crochet as you need. to arrive at the beginning of the armhole. Make a chain with as many chains as you need to have the size of the armhole. For example, here we are making a chain 8. Skip the same number of stitches of the chains. So we had 8 chains, skip 8 stitches and make 1/2 double crochet on the stitch number 9. In this case, in this row, we are making the stitches on the front loop, but if you are following the pattern and you have to make the stitches taking the back loop, you have to follow with the same pattern, one in the back part and one taking the front part. Continue making 1/2 double crochet to the end of the row. We continue on the next row, making 1/2 double crochet to the beginning of the armhole, and we have to make 1/2 double crochet on each chain. If we had 8 chains, we have to make 8 1/2 double crochet and continue with 1/2 double crochet to the end. We continue with the same pattern where we have to make the other armhole, and we repeat the same with the other armhole. Remember, the pattern is taking the back loops in one row and the following row taking only the front loops. Once we have finished the vest, we only have to place the safety pin. In this case, I will use a safety pin, a decorative safety pin, but if you want, you can make a buttonhole, making the same like the armhole but with less chains, for example with chain 2.
Well, that's all. I hope you like it. Remember to give a like, share and subscribe to receive our new videos.